Hey, what's going on, y'all? I got the Franklin 17-foot multitask ladder I want to show you. It's a good investment if you're like a homeowner. You need to like paint the walls, get on top of a first-story roof, like right up here, okay? It's a 17-foot, so I won't reach the top of a second-story roof, but it's a multitask ladder. It has different It has A-frame extension, the 90-degree angle. That's for a staircase. It also has, you can split up. You can also split it up to make a scaffold. But all I'm going to use it for is for an A-frame and to get on top of my first-story part right there. Okay, that's it. All right. That's all I want to show you. That's all I need it for. And also to lean it against the house, like the second story. Okay. So let's see how high it reaches. When I was buying this, everybody's like at Harbor. I bought it at Harbor Freights. They're like, "Wow, I love that ladder. I bought that ladder." And the wife was like, "He uses it all the time. He loves it." And dude, like, I hear so many compliments about this ladder. It's awesome. I don't know if it's awesome because I don't own one yet though, but I'm foreseeing it to be awesome. There you go, right here. 17-foot Franklin ladder, 300-pound capacity. All right, type 1 alpha. All right, there's the I guess that's the part number right there, FKL17 Tech 24. And there you go, y'all. A 90-degree extension, A-frame. You got your scaffold and your staircase. All right, hey, they're sold out of this ladder at Harbor Freight before Christmas. And so I go, what about the one on the display? We can't sell you that, but we could give you a rain check. Great. So I bought it yesterday. It's Thursday. It's the I bought it yesterday on the 29 December. All right. So rain check is cool, y'all. They even gave me the free bucket at that time. So the main purpose to use this is I do pressure washing and house washing. I want to use and cleaning gutters. I want to use it basically for the A-frame. And it's real cool. So the mechanisms right here, you just push and pull. And it locks. So these come out and they twist. This is real light. So that's as high as it'll go. All right. Check that out, y'all. I could easily work on my Christmas lights or clean the gutters for a 1-story house. You could walk on either side, all right? This is rated at 300 pounds. So do you see that, y'all? Never step above that second to last top rungs up there, okay? You always want to keep those free, all right? So now let's go ahead and do the 17-foot extension. Hey, this ladder is light. I'm gonna raise it down a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna go and get my ladder stabilizer because I don't want to put a lot of weight against the gutters. So one moment. All right, I'm gonna go on top of the roof because I always recommend have two people with you when you're going on top of a roof. All right, so as my safety for y'all, my safety recommendation, my safety tip, two people at all times when they're going on top of a roof. All right. Okay, but these. All right, I've seen other videos on YouTube, people going on top of the roof, so those things are strong, yo. Okay. But I don't have a second person here with me, so I ain't gonna show you on this video. But what you can see is what you saw in this video, how light it is. All right, hey, so I'm over in my living room editing this video. Hey, I don't know why the camera stopped, but it just stopped filming for some odd reason. I have an iPhone 8. I think I need to like level up to like at least an iPhone 13, 14, or get the new one, iPhone 15. But anyway, y'all, hey, this is the Franklin multitask 300-pound capacity Type 1 Alpha ladder. All right, it is awesome. It is lightweight. My wife, I told the boss, hey, try picking up the ladder. She was like, wow, this thing's light. When I was at Harbor Freight buying it, people were like, yeah, I got that ladder, man. It's awesome. You know, so I'm excited. You know what I mean? I'm gonna use it for cleaning out gutters. You know, the leaves and pine needles out of gutters, and also just soft washing the top of roofs. Okay, but it won't reach a second floor, okay? Top of a second floor, right? It will not reach a second floor roof, okay? So just remember that, all right? But anyway, thanks for watching. Remember, if you're gonna go on top of a roof, like I didn't go on top of the roof right there, right? Because one, I didn't have somebody there with me, okay? You always want a second person when you get on top of a second story roof. That's my standard. That's the boss's standard. She said, Charles, you're not going to get on a second story roof. I mean, you're not going to get on the first story roof if I'm not with you. Okay, so that's her rule, okay? That's her standard, our policy. All right, so just make sure there's somebody there with you, okay? If you're going to get on a roof by yourself, please be careful, all right? Hey, ain't no job, ain't no quote. $2,000, worth it, y'all. For getting on top of a roof by yourself, okay? You're risking your safety, all right? I don't know, maybe I'm just too soft. But hey, please be safe, okay? Hey, it's December 30th right now. We got 2 more days till 2024. So hey, be safe out there. Hey, if I don't make a video tomorrow, I see you next year. Been wanting to say that. Hey, God bless you. Bye.